The second pilot of the American F-15E fighter jet shot down in Iran was recovered through a complex rescue operation, and a surprising report by the Wall Street Journal revealed new details. During the mission, U.S. forces used unusual air and ground power. According to the report, the wounded pilot remained hidden for nearly 2 days in a crevice in a mountainous area of western Iran. Meanwhile, Iranian forces and search teams, supported by helicopters and drones, were actively trying to locate him. After landing on the ground, the American pilot activated his emergency beacon, which provided proof to authorities that he was alive. Even then, tracking him proved difficult. At one point, the pilot sent a short message saying, "God is good." Initially, officials in Washington suspected the message might be a trap. On Sunday morning, U.S. commandos launched intense firing and air activity, reaching the pilot roughly 200 miles inside Iran and extracting him safely. Equipment on the ground linked to the aircraft was also destroyed to prevent sensitive technology from falling into enemy hands. The incident occurred on Friday when an American F-15E Strike Eagle, using the call sign David 44, was shot down by Iranian forces. 2 pilots were on board. One was rescued quickly, while the search began for the second. The report states that Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth and Chairman of the Joint Chiefs General Dan Kane immediately informed President Donald Trump, who approved the rescue and ordered that the pilot be brought back at any cost. Nearly 100 Special Forces personnel, dozens of fighter aircraft and helicopters took part. The CIA also provided intelligence and attempted to mislead Iranian forces. 4 B-1 bombers reportedly dropped about 100 satellite-guided 2,000-pound bombs, while MQ drones targeted possible fighters approaching the pilot. When aircraft already in the air were redirected to support the rescue, some Iranian missile launchers avoided strikes, and Iran fired more missiles than usual. An initial rescue attempt failed. 2 H-6 helicopters were hit by ground fire, injuring crew members and forcing emergency landings in Kuwait. 2 MC-130J aircraft also became stuck after landing at a remote base and could not take off again. A revised plan used smaller aircraft to insert the team closer to the target, while the CIA spread false information claiming the pilot had already been evacuated. Israeli support reportedly included intelligence sharing and limited air actions. After completion, U.S. forces destroyed 2 MC-130J aircraft and 2 helicopters worth about $100 million to protect technology.